Beautiful river full of fish. It's pink salmon and chum salmon. Dog salmon's all beat up. They're gonna be having their babies. They're gonna be having their babies soon. Take a walk down the trail. It's here down the river here. This is the Indian River in Sitka, Alaska. I think there's 1.5 million, I think, rivers and streams in Alaska, and they're all doing this right now. Like the males got real big humps. Beautiful. There's a couple females there. There's 2 females with 3 males. I don't know if you see that. Nature taking its course. As many fish as we caught this year in our largest efforts, still the river is full of